Hello guys, I am Meghna Priya and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, we are going to discuss how to fix Free Fire Max login problem. So without delaying much, let's start the video. First of all, go to settings and enter the airplane mode section. Now turn on airplane mode for 5 seconds and then turn it off. It will help you to improve your connectivity, which could be a reason that you are not able to log in into Free Fire Max. Next, you have to make sure that you have selected the correct SIM card for your internet usage. If not, then correct it by going into the settings section. Now, long press on the app info icon and go to app info section. Go to clear data and click on OK. Now, next you have to do is to force stop the application, which is currently disabled in my phone, but it must be working in your phone. Next, you have to check that whether you have restricted the data usage for the application. If it is yes, then make sure that you allow both data, mobile data and Wi-Fi usage for the application and then click on OK. I'm sure that now you will be able to log in into your Free Fire Max. If you have any query, please feel free to mention it down in the comment box. And if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the new channel if you are new to this channel. Share the videos to your friends. If you want to know more about technology related stuffs like coding, Android tips and tricks, iOS tips and tricks, web development, etc., do visit our Gossipfunda blog and start reading. You will get to know many more such things and will remain updated in technological aspect of your life. If you have subscribed the channel, do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get future notifications. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.